Good morning, everybody. You got Cody Ashmore, and it is January 27th at 6:42 Central Time. And here's the plan of attack. So, if you're unaware, this is my plan how I'm looking to trade 0 days to expiration SPX options and also ES futures and ES futures options, whatever account size matters. That's how you choose which one you're going to do. But all that being said, the markets are down about 1/3%. After a strong rally to the close yesterday. And so it's going to break some things down. So first things first. Today, economic news wise, we do have the core PC price index coming out 1 hour before the open. So we'll see how that reacts, see if it does move the market around or not. It may or may not, and we'll go from there. But my thesis as for today is I'm thinking today may either maybe I'm thinking choppy action. The reason I'm thinking for choppy action is because if we go across, of course, around, so nothing on Monday, and then Tuesday, nothing substantial, but on February 1st, the Big Daddy. And by Big Daddy, so I'm thinking, what if we kind of just go sideways into the FOMC statement? And that's a potential, or we may continue rallying. I was thinking about this last night, and I'll talk about this some during my options room session. But what if this is a buy the news, sell the rumor type of thing? Because nothing has said that interest rates are in decline. It's just we're assuming, right, based off of the economic data that's coming out, the market's pricing it in, and then we're buying the new or buying the rumor. The news comes out, and then it gets sold again. Just a theory for now, but I'll cover that more in my session there. And those of you in the small account mastery as well, I'll get that information to you as well. As far as how I'm kind of thinking about that, we'll start winding down some of our long positions, our swings, and going flat into that statement. But all that being said, I'm leaning drama-free version as far as day trading goes. So since I'm expecting that type of price action, going drama-free, let's try to forecast today's candle. So it can go either way. We could get a little dip to about probably 40.50, then potentially push higher. I would like us to get up to here to this HVA level, but I don't think it's going to happen before um, next week, especially with this little resistance here. But maybe we'll come up and touch this area. Only time will tell. Obviously, played either way. But it also may be just a small candle day. So how am I looking to play today? So I'm thinking today may be I don't have a read as far as how I can anticipate the candle, really. I'm thinking maybe come down. If we do come down, tap maybe 40.50, and then we go back up. Or maybe it just may be a small candle with going sideways into FOMC statement. But let's narrow it in. Let's go intraday and see what we could do with what is unfolding in front of us. So let's go ahead and look at the volume profile for the overnight. Moving on over. Okay. So we're currently below it, and not a whole lot of action being, no big story being told. But the way we can use this right here is acknowledge that the point of control from yesterday did hold the support. Right, point of control is this area, and you see how price was holding it up, and we're coming right back down to it, and we're kind of just oscillating right where the volume profile is, which makes sense. I mean, it's very small action overnight, no big move. So if we can anticipate this to be support until proven otherwise. Now, how I'm going to look to play today, it's going to be relatively simple, not a whole lot of guesswork, but we'll look to just let it unfold in front of us. So with the way the market currently is, and whenever it's a very small overnight session, you get a bunch of this choppy arrows all over the place. This is unreadable, untradeable, and that's why I don't really pay attention to all this right here, because it's happened overnight and it's going to be small. But what we can acknowledge now is we do have a 30-minute squeeze that is starting to go negative. For the most part, more of the spaghetti is going red. We do have, I was looking at this almost like a flag breakout, but it's starting to look like it wants to retrace back down. So all that being said, the 30-minute squeeze looks like it wants to go lower. If it does want to go lower, that's fine. Maybe come down to this area. But the way I'm going to play it is, so the news is going to come out in approximately 45 minutes. And I'm either going to sell the rally or buy the dip. That's the easiest way to go about it. kind of trying to figure out which way I think the market's going to go. So if I do the drama-free method, I can already assume that I have a high probability based off of just the structure of the options position, and then you just have to know your entry. So say the news comes out in 45 minutes, right? So it's coming out at 8:30 Eastern. And if that is the case, I believe that was the time, or am I tripping? I mean, let me confirm that. For some reason, I'm feeling like, okay, yeah, 8:30 Eastern. I'm in Central, so I always have to think about it to make sure I'm doing the right time. All right, so if it's coming out 8:30 Eastern, so an hour before the open. So the news comes out, and it rallies up, get our pullback into the 30-minute 21 EMA or VWAP, get our buy arrows. Then I'll probably throw on a drama-free put credit spread at that point. But say the market doesn't like it, I'm going to look for the rally or the push lower, look for the rally into these key moving averages again with the sell arrows and take it back down. I mean, as simple as that. That's all I'm looking for. And at the moment, 30-minute squeeze looks like I want to go lower, but it could change by then. But we'll just wait to see what unfolds. Because if the 30-minute squeeze doesn't keep going, then we should keep going for a few hours. But we'll see what unfolds. But that's my plan. Like I said, the news comes out, we either go boom, 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 or we'll go boom, boom, boom. I know you could be thinking that's not very complicated, and quite honestly, it's not. But that's it. That's my plan for today. Wait for either one to unfold, and we'll see what happens. Thank you, everyone. If you've been enjoying these videos, tell me if you've actually been taking action on them. Have you actually been placing day trades based off of this analysis? If you have, let me know how it's been going. I've seen some comments in there have saying that they've had a lot of success, which is awesome. I don't know. It makes me want to put these videos out. If there's no feedback, don't know if it's working or helping anybody, then otherwise, what's the point? All right, but thank you, everyone. Have an awesome day, and we'll see y'all again on Monday. Take care, everybody.